Hello everyone. In this video I will walk you through the complete process of reaching a Meta agent after you get Meta Pay Blue verification. Begin, I open my Facebook app. I go to the menu and open Settings. If you are following along on your phone, take your time to locate the Settings option because the layout may look a little different depending on your device. After entering Settings, I scroll down slowly until I find the section called Orders and Payments. This part is important because this menu connects directly to your MetaPay account and all your payment-related services. When I tap Orders and Payments, Facebook automatically redirects me to the Account Center. From here it opens the MetaPay option. This is where all your transactions, subscriptions, and purchases are connected. On this screen you will see several options. I select MetaPay, which should appear above or near the subscription section. If it is not immediately visible for you, scroll up or down until it appears. Now I tap Meta Verified. This is the area where you can see your verification status and manage everything related to your verification package. Inside the Meta Verified page you will notice different options. I tap Get Help. This takes me into the payment support area where Meta handles questions related to payments, verification fees, and subscription issues. In the Payment Support section, I select Meta Verified once again so Meta knows which product I need help with. Under that, I tap Report an issue with your payment. Now Meta shows my linked orders and subscriptions. I choose my Meta Verified package from the list. This step is important because Meta Support will use this information to check your verification status and payment history. After selecting the package, I tap Get Help with this payment. This opens a detailed screen showing more options connected to the verification process. On this screen I tap Verification Status. This is where Meta gives you direct contact options. Here you will see two choices. The first option is Chat with Meta Agent. The second option is Email Support. If you want the fastest response, the recommended choice is Chat with Meta Agent. When you tap it, a live support window will open where you can type your issue and the Meta agent will guide you step by step. If you prefer email or if chat is not available in your region, you can choose the email option and send your question through the form provided. And that is the complete process. You can now contact a Meta agent directly from the app after being verified with Meta Pay Blue. Many users do not know where this option is hidden, so I hope this video makes everything clear and easy to follow.